A man accused of shooting 3 people in Aurora last year is being transferred to a locked mental health facility.
Austin Benson faces multiple counts of attempted murder and other charges, but isn't mentally competent to go to trial. It's still not clear what's going to happen with the criminal case.
Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates joins us, and he was in court today. Kevin, it feels like they're not clear about what's the next steps here.
Well, here's the thing, Kim and Sam. One of Benson's attorneys said today they're working on a plan to prevent what happened here from ever happening again. You may remember charges in a very similar incident were dropped because Benson wasn't mentally competent. Then he got his guns back and was accused of those shootings last June. More than a year after gunfire in an Aurora neighborhood left 3 people seriously injured, the court case against the suspect remains in limbo. Austin Benson is charged with 4 counts of attempted murder and 17 other felonies, but doctors have repeatedly found him incompetent to stand trial. That means he can't understand the proceedings or assist in his defense.
He shot at the truck? Oh, you didn't know that?
The same thing happened after an eerily similar incident in 2018. After languishing for 5 years, a judge dismissed those charges. That was 8 months before the Aurora attacks.
When an individual has been found incompetent to proceed multiple times, it poses great problems for the justice system.
Scott Robinson is a 9 News legal analyst.
The key thing is to fashion a remedy that gets Benson treatment but protects the rest of society.
Today in court, Benson's attorney announced a plan to transfer him to a locked mental health facility. He'll be tracked by GPS. If he needs to see a doctor, he'll be escorted to the appointment.
It's cruel to say an individual has no place in our society, but there are people, and Austin Benson seems to be one of them, who really need to stay away from the rest of the public.
And avoids what happened in his 2018 case.
Dismissal is not an appropriate remedy for a case where an individual would then just be set loose back on society.
For now, the charges against Benson stand. Hanging over all of this is whether something can be done to keep him in a locked mental health facility indefinitely. We expect to learn a lot more at his next court hearing in October. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Kevin, that's a tough case because at the end of the day, if he would not have been, because he was released, this happened. So there needs to be more prevention here.
That's right, and the criminal case cannot go forward unless he's mentally competent to do that.
Well, we know that you'll be continuing to follow this. So Kevin Vaughn, thank you.